Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. If you're new to this channel, I do a lot of unboxing videos and a lot of review videos. Try to add some general videos as well. But I do like to have at least a big database of watches so that I help someone buying these watches, maybe to help them with their decision to buy or not to buy by giving my neutral review on the watches. And yeah, so today, as you can see, we have a Bulova. And I thought about this watch. I saw it on Amazon. I thought really cool. One of my friends who has also a channel, not a watch snob, I saw him wearing one of these watches in gold. So I thought if I have the opportunity, I'd like to try to get this watch, but I'm not a big gold person. And I thought about getting it in silver or in steel, as you can see. So this is the Bulova digital display retro. So as you can see, it has a digital display, has a very retro style and look of 70s and 80s. Has a bracelet. So the watch is 32 millimeters in diameter if you look at the diameter size. Lug to lug, which is the important measurement here, is 40 millimeters, so I think it will suit a lot of wrist sizes. Thickness 13 millimeters only, which is, if you look at this one, this is 18 millimeters. And yeah, it has a bracelet. I think the strap is, if I'm not mistaken, it looks like an 18 millimeters. Yeah, it's an 18 millimeter strap with 20, I think 22, maybe 24 even. 32, yeah, I forgot. So basically here is a 20 actually, and yeah, it's a 20, sorry, it's a 20 inside the lug and 32 outside the lug. And let me take the stickers off. So first sticker, take the stickers of the buckle. We have a milled clasp, which is quite nice. The bracelet seems quite okay, I have to say. Solid links, so that's a good thing. Pin buckles, so with press we can adjust them, and I don't think I will. And as you can see, quartz definitely. So now you can see the time by pressing the button. I think by pressing the button twice you get the seconds, and here you have another time zone. So you have two time zones. You have the date, which is not adjusted, and you have the time as well, and the seconds. It's 3 bar, so I'm not gonna recommend this taking anywhere near water. It's 130 grams on the bracelet, so a little bit heavy, but still quite okay. I'll take my Mad 1 off to try the Bulova on. So this is how it will look like on my 17.1 centimeter wrist, below the bone, above the bone, on the bone. As you can see, the strap contours with the wrist. So for smaller wrist it will even work, for bigger wrist it will work as well. It might look a little bit weird on bigger wrists, but I think maybe until 18.5, 19 even, it will look quite okay because of the thickness and the blockiness of the whole case as well. Yeah, really cool way of displaying time. I'm really thinking the possibility. That's why I actually wore this, because it has the same time telling angle, where basically when you're driving you can just press the button, which is actually not so safe, but easier to look at the time. Then you have Bulova on this blue screen as well. Take this sticker off. Yeah, I think maybe I'll put it on a strap to show you how it will look like on a different strap, and then we'll leave the rest for the review video. So I put it on this sailcloth strap, which I think I goes really well with the blue color. As you can see, blue and blue. I'll leave the setup of the watch, the functions of the buttons and everything to the review video, so be sure to check it out. And yeah, if you do like this kind of, I think to fix the time we need to just press this button, maybe with this. Let's see. No, it didn't do the trick. I need to show the time first. Yeah, so basically to fix it, and then I think one more push. Yeah, that's how to adjust the time, and then you switch the time zones here, or the hours, and then the minutes and the seconds, and then you can fix 2 time zones. So it could even work as a traveling watch. Anyways, I'll leave all this to the review video. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like and also subscribe and hit the bell button, don't forget. And hopefully see you in the next time. Here is the button to subscribe, and on the left and on the right you'll find videos that might interest you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.